In the middle of forgotten tropical airport, hidden beneath decades of storms, corrosion and silence, lies a giant the world abandoned. Once imagined as future of aviation, this colossal flying machine became nothing more than a decaying monument to lost ambitions. Its engine frozen, its cockpit shattered, its luxury interiors consumed by mold, floodwater and time. Most would call it unsalvageable, impossible, but over the next few months that changes. It's not a repair, it is a resurrection. 75 cinematic stages, thousands of restoration hours, one impossible transformation. From a rotting aviation graveyard relic to the most breathtaking aircraft restoration ever attempted. This is Project Leviathan.
The signal's unstable. We need better lights. Roger that. Keep moving. The storm's getting worse. Keep scrubbing that moss. Almost got this panel clear. Watch the drips on the left.
Keep it steady.
Welding! Welding!
Move the equipment carefully. The water is deep.
Pass me the wrench. Watch the cables. All right, lowering now. All right, over here. Yeah, grab that edge. Watch the wires. Heavy piece. The wiring here looks pretty corroded. Yeah, we'll need to replace the entire bundle. Okay, let's mark it. Keep the paver steady on the line. Check the weld on that main strut. Watch your step. Concrete's curing.
Ignition sequence started. We have stable combustion. Pressure holding steady at green line. Confirmed. Maintaining burn until cutoff.
Cable check complete. Let's move these to section 6. Roger that. I'll secure this panel first. The primary flight displays are operational now. Good. Let's calibrate the secondary systems. checks out perfectly. Excellent work. Keep an eye on that panel, make sure it's secure. Roger, checking the torque now. The readings are stable, but check the final torque on blade 54. Copy that. Checking now. Systems reading within tolerance. Run the final diagnostics. Copy that. Tightening overheads now. Status check in 10 seconds. Final systems check. Everything looks within tolerance. Copy that. Ready for final acceptance. The axial compressor looks pristine. All readings match the baseline. Outstanding. Ready to sign off. I'm seeing a slight anomaly on the third blade. Confirm that with the sensor data. I'm checking the logs now. Overhead panel looks good.
Reading confirmed. Systems check complete.
Initiating taxi. The thermal data is looking good. No anomalies. Structural integrity seems sound as well. Ready to close up. The pressure looks normal. Roger that. Confirming the seal is tight. Any anomalies on the engine cowling? Almost finished with this section. Just checking the cart for the final touch. Looks perfect. Let's move to the rear.
Incredible work, everything is perfect.
Just like we planned.
The view is amazing.
What once stood here as a monument to failure now stands as a proof of what vision, craftsmanship, and relentless determination can rebuild. Every broken panel, every rusted turbine, every flooded corridor, every impossible setback became part of the transformation. Project Leviathan was never just about restoring an aircraft, it was about restoring possibilities. If you enjoyed the cinematic restoration journey, subscribe and join us for the next impossible rebuild, because somewhere another forgotten giant is awaiting and we are just getting started.